Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing the SHEIN. Okay, I don't know the right way to say, but SHEIN nails. You know how the SHEIN has the plain fake nails. So I bought one, and it was on sale for $2. And then I was like, you know what? I am going to try it on to see if it works or if it's just what's the hype. And I bought it. And of course, you can tell I like it. However, I just want to review it just in case somebody is wondering, is it worth it? It's $2. Okay, so you have to buy it with other items for you to get free shipping, of course. But if you buy it by itself, I don't think you can get free shipping on that. But anywho, it came with the double-sided tape. Oh, I should have shown you guys the pack, but guess what? I throw it away. So it came with a double-sided pack, and it came with 24 pieces. So the 24 pieces, most of them are this size. Well, smaller too. And anywhere between this and this, that's what most of the 24 pieces are gonna look like. Most of the 24 pieces are gonna look like. Then you're gonna have the bigger ones that are gonna look like this. And honestly, I didn't use the tape because for me it's like, I don't know. I'm just gonna use a nail glue. So what I did was go to the 99-cent store. Actually, I went to the Dollar Tree store and I got nail glue. And that's what I used. And it's been a week. It's been over a week and my nails are not moving. Like, they're still strong. They're not going anywhere. I don't think they're going anywhere for the next 3 weeks. But yeah, I think it's worth it. I already ordered more nails because I'm like, $2? Okay, you can't beat this. I usually spend $38 when I go to the nail salon to get my nails done. But now I'm getting it done for $2. I mean, I know some people would like to go, have them take care of you, do all that stuff, which is nice. But if you're trying to save money, if you're trying to look good on a budget, okay, honey, you need to get on SHEIN. And I know, like I said again, it has a double-sided tape. I mean, if you want to do that, that's fine. Go ahead and do it. But if you want it to last, like mine is lasting, if you want it to last, I say go ahead and get a nail glue. It's only 99 cents at the Dollar Tree, literally 99 cents. So it cost me $3 to get my nails done like this. I'm so cheap. I love anything that's cheap. So $3, yeah, I ordered a white one because I wanted to also try that on. And then they have some for toes too, so I ordered one. Let's see, I'm going to review it when it gets here. But that's all for today. Thank you. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you like it. I'm gonna put a link on this particular nail on the description box, so you guys can click on it, go figure it out. But yeah, look at it. It is nice. I think it's so nice. I don't know, you might not think so, but for $3 you can do better. You cannot. I have never seen anybody who has nails for who gets their nails for $3. Okay, I'm talking too much. It's getting to 4 minutes. But make sure you like, thumbs up, or subscribe if you haven't. Why not? Support me, okay? Until then, see you next time. Bye, guys.